To the community of future, please understand what I'm saying and don't just suddenly judge what I have personally commented. This is based on my experience and knowledge. That's why I got to this. Okay guys, I'm going to tackle this topic, but just to be clear, I am not going to go to pro and cons. And I'm not going to agree or disagree with this, but I am going to say my opinion of this because this is blowing up every day in the media. So, what am I saying? If you're looking down in the title, it's already there. So I don't have to explain what I'm telling you about. This is about the particular shooting. If you're still not looking at the title. So I'm saying this because it's my opinion and my account. So it's up to you. So let's start. The ban on guns for USA is not going to work for stopping shooting or mass killing in schools because the real reason they are starting like that is the education system and the school system is rotten to the core. Not corrupt, but teachers and principals don't care about their students. In my country, it's like that, but not like they would kill everyone. Mostly, they would kill the teachers. It's the truth. They would kill the teachers if it comes to the news. But in this accident in America, he kills a teacher, a student, and if there was, I don't know if there was a civilian inside. What I mean by civilian, it means the janitor or the one serving your food, the cafeteria lady. So, sorry if I mispronounce it. So, let's go back. The problem with USA, if you ban the guns, you got another problem because they have knives, uh, concussion for making a bomb, or anything that can hit a human and kill them. You got that. So we or me disagree with banning a gun because if you ban a gun, not only are you disallowing hands-on tracking device for people who buys this. In other crimes like hotel killings, murders, homicide, we track or the US tracks the guns registration. If you ban this, many will use just illegal means, meaning they could buy from Mexico, China, or other countries that makes illegal trading in guns. So if you don't ban this, we can still track these guns that they use within USA, but this is a 50-50% chance that they will use a legal one because plan one would be you just buy it illegally so you won't get tracked, but it's much better if it's registered because you can track them if they use a legal one, and the bullets are always marked so they can track this bullet or the gun. If the gun is not marked as a legal one, they can track the bullets because many of the bullets made in America and outside America is numbered and pampered, I don't know, tampered, the one they mark it with, so they know what kind of which country made this. So if you make America banning guns, meaning you're just destroying the fact that they gave up on the students. What do I mean? If you ban the gun, it means that your students are always going to resort to violence. That's the problem with them. They give up easily. Banning the gun doesn't mean that the student won't get hysterical again or cause a mass suicide. They will still kill people outside or inside school. this is not the right way of finding a solution for America or any other country that makes mass shooting regularly, because right now they had 18, what I got from my resource, Philip DeFranco, just in the description. It was 18 for this month, for these 2 months, January and February. It was 18 accidents of mass shooting in schools only, not the office, bank, uh, other buildings that uses public or private uses. Ah, okay. Going back to topic, I was cut before I could finish. Going back to topic, America would never get the right solution if they just ban guns. They would just make others to get more creative in creating chaos in schools and outside schools. They would just kill with just using knives, bombs, you know what I just said. Many other means to kill people. It's not just gun. The easiest way is gun. You can improvise gun. You can print gun now. What the fuck is that? You can just print it. Come on. If you make it illegal, they could just print it, and nobody would know it's an unregistered gun. They paint it with black and voila, you have a gun painted black, but it's printed. So the ban on gun is not going to work, even if it's approved by the Congress of America. So this is not the correct way of tackling the issue. The issue should be how to prevent the bullying and the system's uncaring for the students, because if you don't care to the students, they will be on the dark path and they will do this in any which part of the country or any which place of the earth. By earth I mean the other countries that's beside America. You could say Canada, but Canada is a great country, so maybe London, because there's still killing people there. So me telling this is, I know I'll get bash if I get viral, but this is my opinion of topic, because this is not the right way of tackling the subject in just banning something that's the weapon use. The senators are right telling the media that where's your evidence, meaning if the gun was not there, would they not do it? No, they would still do it. They just use another object to use it. This is the stupid thing about people who think, oh, banning a gun would reduce it. Yeah, you will reduce it maybe for, I don't know, 1 month, then it's back to normal. People are still going to kill, no matter what you do. The problem is, what is the cause of the mass shooting? They should tackle that, investigate on that. Who made him the way that who made him that way? What caused him to do such a terrible thing to people like the teachers in the school? He's not innocent, but he's not also a murderer in such a way that there are people who can murder other people by just using words. So America doesn't just ignores that, not doesn't, just ignores others people feeling and think their objects only hurt people, not words. So this is their main problem. How do they stop the bullying, the corrupt, that the school system, basically the whole status quo is not going to work anymore, and this is going by far the most basic example of what would happen to the one who goes to the lowest part of the status quo. They commit these sins, not sins, but really bad things, because he killed either by accident or by consciously doing this. He was he was pushed to his limits. I am not going to talk about his name because I don't want to degenerate him. But the problem is not the one he used. It's the problem is the school, the basic one, the status quo. If you want to stop the problem of mass shootings, you gotta start with the status quo. Status quo, if other people don't know, is the structural hierarchy of the school. You got the populars, the middle one, and the losers. That's how you define status quo, the basic one. So people should stop saying that guns should be banned to stop this, because this is not going to stop the mass shooting. We'll just change it, mass shooting to mass killing, to mass murder, to mass chaos. It never stops from shooting. It's just we change title, and we can just blame, oh, it's now a knife, it's now a bomb, it's now a bat, it's now a sharp object with maybe sword, something. People should just stop saying blame it in the object, not blame it in the school, the teachers, or the students, because students are the most effective one on destroying the mentality of a human being. They are people too, and the one who killed is also a human being that got so much bad influence and bad thing. He just did it, so it's in the news. This is my one shot of it, my explanation. I didn't cut this, so I am saying to you my opinion, my analysis, and my experience. I got bullied too, but not like this. I wouldn't go this far because I wouldn't care so much for other people. That's how I escaped the bullying. I didn't care so much to them because I always know there are people who cares about me, and that people is the one I care about their opinion, not the people who bullies me. If the people who cared about me bullied me, I know they are joking, or they care about me so much. That's why they point my flaws. So my final verdict of this: stop using guns to excuse yourself. That mass shooting would stop if you mass killing would stop. If you ban the guns, would never stop. Start with the system of the school, not with the object that they use. Bye.